I don't know about you, but sometimes I struggle to come up with ideas for nail art, and other times it just hits me. I don't know what it is, but just something hits me and I go, wow, I have a great idea for nail art. Huh. Wow, that was such a great introduction to this nail art. How did I think of that? I have no idea. Anyway, to do this, you want to start with a white base color, probably 2 coats so that it's really opaque. We're going to be doing water marbling, but if you're not really a water marbling person, stay till the end and I'll show you another way you can do it. I'm using a liquid latex to protect my skin so I won't have as much to clean up. Eventually, I learned to cover more of my skin with the liquid latex, so you should plan on covering as much of your skin as possible because it can get really messy. You want to get some sort of cup to put water in, and it shouldn't be too cold. And then you can put in the drops of nail polish, but not too far away from the water, otherwise it'll sink to the bottom. And then you can make any sort of design you'd like. A lot of it will be covered up, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Then you want to take whichever finger you're working on and dip the nail into the part of the design that you like the most, and then you can peel off the liquid latex. Water marbling can leave quite a mess, so make sure you have your acetone ready to clean up. And then after it dries, cover it with a top coat because we're going to be using nail vinyls. As you can tell from my other fingers, I used a variety of different color combinations that I thought were really bright and pretty. I didn't show my thumb because my thumb looks really weird on camera. I decided to use this zigzag vinyl because of her black outfit she wore where she put on black makeup and looked like Gene Simmons. Then I painted on a black polish. Don't mind how messy I'm painting. I was really trying to cover all the area and I ended up having to clean it up later. Then when you peel it off though, you'll see the water marbling color that you actually did underneath, which is really cool. After looking at her outfit again, I saw she had some glittery stuff, so I decided to add some holographic glitters. I put it on the small end of the makeup sponge so that it wouldn't go into the marbling section. Be sure to wait until it's fully dry before adding top coat, unlike me, because I ended up having this weird black stuff coming into my water marbling. But whatever, it's fine, it's totally fine. I just covered it again with top coat and acted like nothing happened. And there you go, you just gotta do that for all of your nails and it'll turn out like this. If water marbling is not your thing, kind of like Simply Nailogical, I originally tried this with a gradient. You just use the same colors except on a makeup sponge and then you dab it onto your nail. Be sure to use some form of protection on your skin so that you don't have a bunch of things to clean up. I use liquid latex, as I said before, and look at that. All that crusty crap is because I waited too long to take the latex off. So make sure you take it off before it's fully dry, then add top coat so that when you put on the nail vinyls, it doesn't pull up your nail polish. And I think this came out pretty cute on its own, but as I said, I was trying to do a JoJo Siwa inspired thing. So I put on the nail vinyl. And originally when I was doing this, I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, oh, I'll just have the black on the one side so it'll look like it's taking over the other thing. But I think what I did it for my final design is better than this. And you'll see why in a minute. And then I put black on the makeup sponge and the glitter on the other side. That's really silly. Just put on the black like I did originally, and then you can put the glitter on afterwards. When I ended up peeling it up, it just didn't quite look the way I wanted it to, which is why I ended up changing my whole design. You can also do a combination of both things that I did. Yeah, I definitely like the other one better. What do you think? You've officially made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for your time. If you liked the video, subscribe and like. Be sure to leave a comment on other nail inspiration ideas you'd like me to try. And with that, I'm out of here. Bye!